If you're curious about how well the MOTO X70 Air can compete with other slim phones in its class, this video will give you the answer. It's not just about its lightweight and elegant design, but also how Lenovo balances performance, durability, and modern features without sacrificing practicality. Here's a complete review of the MOTO X70 Air that you need to know.
The MOTO X70 Air looks impressive with its super thin 5.99mm body and weight of 159 grams. Despite its light weight, this phone is still comfortable to hold thanks to its smooth aluminum frame and R7 corners that prevent hand fatigue. The back uses textured PU material that is non-slip and fingerprint resistant, while the matte metal camera ring gives it a premium look. MOTO also includes a dual nano SIM slot and an additional microphone at the top for clearer sound. Its durability is equally impressive. The MOTO X70 Air is IP68 and IP69 certified and has passed the GJB 150 military test for extreme temperatures and drop tests. The screen is protected by 7th-generation Gorilla Glass and supports Wet Touch 2.0 to remain responsive when wet. With its precision construction and tightly packed thin components, this phone feels solid yet lightweight, proving that a slim body can still be tough.
The MOTO X70 Air is equipped with a 6.7-inch POLED screen with 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The thin 1.3mm bezel makes the display almost full, with a screen-to-body ratio of 94.6%. The display supports 10-bit color, HDR10+, and Pantone color and skin tone certification, which guarantees color accuracy. Its maximum brightness can reach 4,500 nits, making it easy to see even in direct sunlight. Thanks to its balanced color reproduction, users can do light photo editing without worrying about color changes when switching devices. Another advantage of this display is its comfort. The MOTO X70 Air features soft and natural color tones, not the bold colors that quickly strain the eyes. The PWM technology used also helps reduce screen flicker at low brightness levels. The combination of a high refresh rate, fast touch response, and strong brightness makes the display ideal for enjoying entertainment content or supporting daily productivity.
The MOTO X70 Air is equipped with two 50-megapixel rear cameras that are not just for show. The main camera has a 1.156-inch sensor with an f1.88 aperture, OIS, and dual-pixel AF, while the 120-degree ultra-wide camera also functions as a close-up macro lens up to 3.5 centimeters. An additional 3-in-1 flicker sensor helps maintain white balance and prevent flicker effects when shooting under lights. The front camera also has a resolution of 50 megapixels with a 91.5-degree angle that produces sharp selfies and video calls. Photos taken during the day appear natural with balanced colors and a wide dynamic range, while at night, the combination of OIS and pixel binning helps maintain detail without overexposing the image. In terms of shooting experience, the MOTO X70 Air feels flexible. The 2x crop mode on the main camera provides results close to a 48mm lens, which is ideal for portrait photos, while the ultra-wide macro makes exploring small details more exciting. The AI Light Feather Portrait feature is able to maintain hair details and smooth bokeh transitions. There are also unique filters like NC Negative and Lingjing Shiguang that instantly add a cinematic feel without the need for lengthy editing. For video recording, the phone supports up to 4K 60 FPS, HDR10, horizon stabilization, and 240 FPS slow motion, ensuring stable and sharp results in various conditions.
The MOTO X70 Air is powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset with 4nm fabrication from TSMC, offering agile performance for everyday use. The combination of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage makes switching between apps feel fast and smooth. The super-thin 3D VC cooling system keeps the temperature stable when gaming or multitasking without feeling hot in your hands. Based on various tests, its performance is in the upper middle class with high efficiency and a focus on ease of use. Dolby Atmos stereo audio, an X-axis vibration motor, and complete connectivity such as global 5G, fast Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LDAC and aptX HD, and dual NFC make the daily experience smooth and enjoyable. On the software side, the MOTO X70 Air uses MyUI 8, which has a clean and lightweight appearance similar to pure Android. The AI features from Tianqi 3.5 are a plus because they are truly helpful, not just for show. The AI button on the left side can be customized to open various smart functions like AI Look, which recognizes objects around you, AI Writing for text creation, and AI Problem Solver to help solve math or science questions. There's also an option to choose third-party AI models to tailor results to your needs. Support for multiple WeChat accounts and cross-device data synchronization underscores that the MOTO X70 Air isn't just a slim, elegantly designed phone, but also a device that supports productivity and work efficiency.
The MOTO X70 Air packs a 4,800 mAh battery into a body that is only 5.99 millimeters thick, something rarely found in phones of its class. High-density Star C 2.0 blade technology allows for this large capacity without adding to the thickness. Test results show that its endurance is sufficient for daily activities such as work, study, or entertainment without the need to frequently search for a power outlet. During several hours of mixed use, its power consumption is also quite efficient, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of the day. Its charging capabilities are also impressive. The MOTO X70 Air supports 68-watt turbo power for wired charging and 15-watt for wireless charging. In about 10 minutes, the battery can be charged to a third of its capacity, while a full charge takes less than an hour.
In the Chinese market, the MOTO X70 Air is priced starting at around $342 for the 12 GB plus 256 GB variant and $384 for the 12 GB plus 512 GB version. Some media reports estimate that the selling price in Indonesia will be around $300, although this figure cannot be considered definitive as there has been no official announcement from Motorola. It is important to note that prices in Indonesia can be significantly higher than those in China. This is due to additional costs such as import taxes, distribution fees, and local market adjustments. As of now, there has been no confirmation on when the MOTO X70 Air will officially launch in Indonesia, so information regarding variants, warranties, and local promotions is still pending an official announcement.